Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the icon having 3 profile icons just beside gift icon in the bottom section of your screen. Here tap on invite friends option in the bottom section of your screen. And here you can see a list of social media accounts through which you can invite your friends. Now select one according to your preference and send the invite link to your friends. So that is how you can invite your friends on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.